Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now we're on the next surah. Surah 2, Quraish, Makkiyah. So Surah 2, the chapter of Quraish, Makkiyah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, so now I've highlighted some difficult letters that many students make mistakes in. So first ayah is the qaf. So it has to be full mouth, and it's not a kaf. It's not Quraish. It's qa, Quraish. لإيلاف قريش. So again, li, a stretch, la, another stretch. لإيلاف قريش. And then here stretch, and then last stretch. إيلافهم. Then I've circled the ha. There has to be a big ha from the middle of the throat. رحلة الشتاء. Make sure the hamza is sharp. شتاء. Then the waw will join to a sad. So I've highlighted that. Sad is a full mouth letter. So don't say was safe as a scene. Make it full mouth. Was saif. إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف. And make sure you do enough mud here. So remember, each letter, your purpose of tajweed is to read each letter perfectly. So don't read it as إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف, where no letter can be understood. Your job is to read each letter perfectly as it's supposed to be pronounced, stretching in all the right places. So read it slowly and clearly. I'm going to start again. First ayah. لإيلاف قريش. So each letter distinct and clear. إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف. Next verse, ayat number 3. I've highlighted the ayn. So it's not فَلْيَعْبُدُوا with a hamza, it's with an ayn. فَلْيَعْبُدُوا رَبَّ هَذَا الْبَيْتِ. So the ra, full mouth. So فَلْيَعْبُدُوا, a small one alif or two haraka stretch on the do. فَلْيَعْبُدُوا, ra, full mouth. هذا, soft ha. هَذَا الْبَيْتِ. Ayat number 4. الذي, so mud over here, see the mud? الذي. And then I've circled two letters. First a ta and then an ayn. So ta is a full mouth letter with a qalqal over here. At-ta, at-ta, a, empty mouth, ta, full mouth. So it's a quick switch. A-ta, at-ta. And it has to be a slight echo sound on the ta because it's a qalqala. At-ta. And then an ayn with a fatha. أطعمهم. The idgham, mim sakin. أطعمهم من جوع. So the ikhfa over here, min, and then it ends with an ayn. So not with a hamza. It's not ju. It's الذي أطعمهم من جوع. So it has to end with an ayn sound at the end. And lastly, the last part. وَآمَنَهُم مِّنْ خَوْفٍ. Then idgham again. Over here, where you do a slight gunna sound. وَآمَنَهُم مِّنْ خَوْفٍ. And kha is also a full mouth letter. So not khawf, kha, khawf. So let's read the whole thing again. لإيلاف قريش. And the ra is also a full mouth. Over here, ra, because it has a fatha. لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. This is all about practicing the letters. So when you keep on practicing, then the letters will be, then you'll learn how to perfect the letters. So you won't learn how to read the surah by reading it once, twice, or three times. You have to keep on practicing weeks after weeks after weeks. Each letter trying to make it perfect. And the harder you try, the better you'll be at it at the end.